Welcome back, guys, to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. Today, we're going to show you our routine that we do after a silk press. But before we do, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as I have my wonderful videos available. Guys, you know what to do by now. Go ahead and do it because you're missing out. And for all who have, welcome, welcome, welcome one and all. Thanks, big thanks, big up. Okay, so you see she's still rocking her silk press. It's getting a little frizzy down here at the ends. What we're gonna do, we're gonna shampoo, condition, and we're doing a conditioning treatment under the dryer. Okay, let's go. So guys, we are back from shampooing and conditioning Kimberly's hair, and we did a deep conditioner. Usually, guys, when you take a silk press down, you want to shampoo, you want to condition. Some of the times what I do, I may put the conditioner on, a deep conditioner or a mask. I'll put it on at the sink or the shampoo sink, or I'll go under the dryer for 15 or 20 minutes. But I am excited to see if she had any heat damage, because what we did, remember, we used the heat protector that should help her not to have heat damage. And also, we did not repeat the silk press during the week. So we just did it once and that was it. She had it on, she had her silk press in for 4 weeks, guys, 4 weeks. And all we did, we just use that serum on her, wrap her hair at night, and she was able to keep her silk press. You notice the ends were getting a little bit frizzy, but that was understandable after so long. We are ready. Let's do it. Kimberly, are you ready? Oh, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Oh, yeah, look, guys. She don't have any heat damage. Awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome. Woo. Oh my goodness. Kimberly, it looks like your hair got thicker. OMG. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do for Miss Kimmy is I'm going to twist her up, but that's for another video. So, guys, me will catch you now. Me gone. And me I got to do finish up Miss Kimberly here. Give her a nice little twist out. And next time, me will show you how to get that twist all done. All right. So catch you in my next video. Bye. Bye, guys.